Namaste dear children, welcome to class 3. In the previous class I have given the model reading of lesson 3, the Kids Club, and today I will explain the lesson. And one more point here is page number 26. Complete this sentence. At last, after these 5 activities or games, pictures, below this one, complete this sentence. I love to. I have completed here play skating. I love to play table tennis. I love to play football. I love to ride on camel. I love to swim. These kind of sentences you can complete this sentence. Next, page 27. 3 children could not find a place to play. How many children? 3 children could not find a place to play. They don't have a place to play. What did they do? Read and find out. What the 3 children done? We have to read in this lesson. The Kids Club. Characters: Gautam, Sanaya, Saif, Uncle Venu. Gautam, Sanaya and Saif live in a building called Bharat Apartments. See, Gautam, Sanaya and Saif, these are 3 children. They are living in a building called Bharat Apartments. Bharat Apartments. Apartments. Bharat Apartment is a name of the building. Apartments, where we can see apartments in the cities, in Hospet cities, some apartments are there. In Bangalore city, we can see that many apartments. Those apartments have many storied buildings. First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, like that. According to the building, the floors will be, and this floor or this apartment, how much floors are here in this apartment? Let us come to know. We will come to know by reading the further sentences. I hope you understand what is a Bharat apartment. It has 12 floors. This Bharat apartment has 12 floors. And if you look at our school, first floor, second floor, we have first floor and second floor. Like that, Bharat apartment has 12 floors. However, there is no place for children to play. In apartments, rooms are there, or many houses are there. We call it as a house or rooms, and those houses are attached to each other, and there is no place. That is the problem of the apartment. Children don't have place to play there in the apartments. The only place where they can play is the staircase. Where children can play in that apartment is the staircase. See, look at this corner, right side corner. 3 children are running downwards. This is called staircase. And staircase is a free space where children can play. In another house, we can't go and play. In outside also, there is no place to play. So, only place is the staircase in that apartment, and the children names are Gautam, Sanaya, and Saif. Next sentence. Sanaya, I don't like the staircase. It is dark and dirty. Sanaya's words these are, I don't like the staircase. It is dark and dirty because no one cleaning the staircases, maybe, and maybe facilities are not there. So Sanaya dislike the staircase because it is dark, no light, and dirty, not clean. Gautam, it's the best place to play. Come, I will show you how to have fun. Let's take the lift to the top floor. Sanaya and Gautam are talking each other now. When Sanaya expresses her opinion about staircase, Gautam replies, it's the best place to play. Where? Staircase. Come, I will show you how to have fun. Having fun. Fun. I think you know having fun. What is a fun? Fun means kushi padodu. Let's take the lift to the top floor. One more thing, one more point is apartments. When these kind of apartments, 12 floor apartments are there, then those apartments will have lift. Many of you have entered the lift and you may have reached the top floors. That is a different experience going in the lift, up in the going to the top floor and coming to the ground floor. It is one of the experience. And this Bharat apartment has a lift. So Gautam and Sanaya, Gautam asks Sanaya to take the lift to the top floor, that is 12th floor. The children quickly go upstairs. When they want to play, they will go very quickly. Gautam, come on, get busy. Everybody should ring a doorbell and run. When these children reached the top floor, Gautam says that, come on, get busy. Everybody should ring a doorbell and run. Doorbell, do you know what is a doorbell? In the entrance of the house, main door, the wall will contain a bell, a button, electric button, which when we press that button, it makes sound in the house and someone will come and opens the door and we can ask or we can go inside the house. That is called a doorbell. Here Gautam says that, come on, get busy, everybody should ring a doorbell and run. And one more thing, by reading these three conversations, we can come to know that who is Sanaya and who is Gautam. First three conversations are between Sanaya and Gautam. So here in the first picture, the light blue t-shirt boy is Gautam, and the red dress who is wearing, that girl, the girl who is wearing red dress, she is Sanaya, and Saif, he will come later. Sanaya, ring a bell? Why? Why we need to ring a bell? What is that play? I don't know. Actually, Sanaya don't know what is the game, and Gautam knows well what the game is. So Sanaya immediately asks, ring a bell, why? Gautam, to see the fun. Why to ring a bell? To see the fun, he says. Gautam, come on, start running or they will catch you. Start running or they will catch you. What they do? See, they press the doorbells of the 3 flats and run down the stairs. They press the doorbells of 3 flats. three houses, three flats. They press three flats doorbells and run downstairs. See here, the three children are running downside in the staircase. 6 floors below, they stop to listen to angry voices. When they descended up to 6th floor, they run downside and they reached 6th floor and they stopped there and started listening to the angry voices, because those flat owners are who are living in those flats, three flats, they will open the door and look outside. If there is no one, then immediately they get angry and they will shout and they will blame in loud voices. So the children want to listen to those angry voices. How what replay those flat people will give, like that. This is the fun, this is the play. I hope you understand. First voice, what's going on here, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ಹೂ ರ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ದ ಬೆಲ್, ಯಾರು ಬೆಲ್ ಹೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಯು, ತಡಿರಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೈಫ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್. Until now, Sanaya and Gautam are conversing. Now, Saif adds his voice. This is the best game I have ever played. They started enjoying this game, pressing the doorbells of the flats and running downside and hearing to the angry voices. Next, page 28. Gautam, come on, let us do it again. Oh, they started playing this game, ringing the doorbell of the other houses and running downsides. For a whole week, the children do it again and again. For a whole week, whole means purti, week, week, 7 days. 7 days, 1 week. 7 days become 1 week. For a whole week means the 7 days continuously the children do it again and again. They played the same game. They do not get caught, means no one caught these three children. If anybody come to know these three children are playing this game, they will caught and they will punish these children. But these three children are escaping from everyone. They are not get caught. Then one day they ring the bell of a flat on the 8th floor. One day, 8th floor, they ring the bell. 8th floor flat. A man opens the door. Man, who's there? I know you kids have been troubling everyone. Come back. I want to talk to you. Immediately that man opens the door. When these three children are rang the bell, immediately that man opens the door and he says, who's there? I know you kids have been troubling everyone. Come back. I want to talk to you, like that he spoke. A man. Saif, let's run. Saif says, let's run. Sanaya, oh, Gautam's fallen and hurt himself. We have to help him. While running downside, Gautam fell down. He hurt himself. See here the picture. In this picture, the boy in the blue t-shirt hurt. Now, in his left leg there is a wound. Some blood marks are there on his knee. We have to help him. Sanaya says, no, Gautam's fallen, hurt himself. We have to help him. Gautam, oh, my leg, my leg. Gautam's leg hurted, blood is coming out of his leg. So pain started to Gautam. So he expresses, oh, my leg, my leg. Saif, come on, get up, Gautam. The man is coming down. Saif is very much afraid. If he caught these three children, he may punish. He is afraid of punishment because they are doing wrong thing. They know it. Gautam, you run. I can't move. If you want, you can go. You run. I can't move. He is unable to move because he has a wound or hurt himself. Sanaya, we will not leave you here. But Sanaya is not leaving Gautam alone. She wants to be with Gautam. She expresses her words. We will not leave you here. The man catches up with them. So the man immediately comes and catches the three children. Man, you naughty children, how can you disturb people like this? Naughty children, tunta huduguru, makkalu, tunta makkalu. How can you disturb people like this? Disturbing people like this. How can you do this? It's a very rude thing to do. Rude thing. Not polite. Not respecting others. That is rude thing. This is a rude thing to do. Why are you doing? Then he bends over Gautam and feels his leg gently. See here, the man is feeling the Gautam's leg gently. Means he uh, he holds the leg of the Gautam and he tests what has happened. Is that injury or that wound is deep or not, or only just a cutting, or just blood is coming out. So he wants to know the man, the man. Now, man, I don't think you have broken any bones. By his experience, the man says that by moving the Gautam's leg, he says, you haven't broken any bones. Thank God. Bones are not broken. It's just a cut. Your skin is just a cut in your skin. That is why blood is coming out. Come with me. I will bandage it. The man is very polite man, experienced man. When he saw the Gautam, then he expresses these words and he said, I will bandage it. Like that. The children follow the man into his flat. Where that man is living, to that flat, these three children, Gautam, Sanaya, and Saif, followed the man. Man, come in, children. I am Venugopal. Let's be friends. The man welcomes the children. Come in, children. I am Venugopal. What is the name of the man? Venugopal. Let's be friends. Because these three children are afraid of the man. He may make beating or scolding or some punishment he may give. Like that, these three children are afraid of, but he says that let's be friends. Call me Uncle Venu. Venugopal. The man Venugopal says to these children, call me Uncle Venu. Tell me, why have you been troubling everyone? Tell me, why have you been troubling everyone? Why are you troubling everyone by ringing the doors of the flats? It is not a good thing. Like that, The man or Venugopal or Uncle Venu asked to the children. Sanaya, we are sorry, Uncle Venu, but there is no place for us to play. We are sorry, Uncle Venu, but there is no place for us to play. Where to play? What to play in this apartment? 12 floors are here. Where to play? Where is the place to play for us? What play we can play? That is the question of Sanaya. That's quite natural. That's quite good details. She politely asks to the Uncle Venu. First, she asks forgiveness. We are sorry. Like that. Uncle Venu, I have an idea. I have an extra room in my house. We can start a kids club here. You kids can meet here and do whatever you like, except rude things like ringing other people's doorbells and running away. Uncle Venu has an idea for this, for which the children don't have place to play. Uncle Venu has an idea. I have an extra room in my house. He has an extra room in his house. He says, we can start a kids club here. Kids club. Kids club means club. Club is a place. You might have heard a Rotary Club, Lions Club. There, the participants or the members of the club meet at a prescribed time, pre-decided time, and they discuss one activity which is very useful for the society. Club's main intention is to do the activities which is helpful for the society. And Uncle Venu advises to start a kids club. You kids can meet here and do whatever you like. You can come here, meet here, you can do anything except rude things like ringing other people's doorbells and running away. Except ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು, except means ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ringing other people's doorbells. That is a bad thing, that is a rude thing. You must not do this one. And running away, ringing the people's doorbells and running away is a rude thing. You must not do that one, and you can do other things. He suggests, Uncle Venu suggests this one. Uncle Venu smiles and pats Sanaya's cheek. Cheek. See, Uncle Venu is patting. This is his Uncle Venu. This is Sanaya, and cheek patting. Patting cheek means lightly touching someone, something with your hand to show affection. Just a touch to her cheek, to Sanaya's cheek. Uncle Venu smiles and pats Sanaya's cheek. He just touches the cheek of the Sanaya. Children, we are so sorry, Uncle. Now the children means 3 children. Sanaya, Saif, Gautam. All the three voice, they say, we are so sorry, Uncle. 3 voices. Uncle Venu, you must apologize to everyone you have bothered. Here, okay, you must apologize to everyone. Ask sorry. Apologize means ask sorry to everyone you have bothered. You need to ask sorry for those who you have troubled. Bothered means troubled. Means which are the flats you rang the doorbells. Go to those doors or houses or flats and ask sorry that we have done the wrong thing. please forgive us, like that. Uncle Venu says, children, yes, we will. Thank you for being so kind. ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಕೈಂಡ್. ಕೈಂಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ನೇಚರ್. you have a very good helping nature. Thank you for that. The three children replies like this. So the kids club started like this. Where it is started? In the Bharat apartments. How many floors it has? 12 floors. And read the lesson. Who said what sentences or words? You must remember. Which are the Sanaya's words? Which are Gautam's words? Which are Saif's words? And which are Uncle Venu's words? Here the end of the lesson. Children, take care of yourself. Be safe. Be happy in your home. धन्यवाद.